Traveling with pets can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience, but it also requires careful planning and consideration to ensure a stress-free journey for both you and your furry friend. Whether you're embarking on a road trip or taking a flight, this guide will provide you with essential tips and advice to make your travels pet-friendly. From pre-trip preparations to on-the-road essentials, let's explore how you can create a safe and comfortable travel experience for your beloved pet. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 1. Pre-trip preparations. Before you hit the road or board a plane with your pet, there are several key preparations to undertake. 1. Veterinary checkup. Schedule a visit to your veterinarian to ensure your pet is in good health and up to date on vaccinations. Obtain necessary documentation, including a health certificate if required. 2. Pet identification. Ensure your pet wears a collar with an identification tag containing your contact information. Consider microchipping as an added layer of identification, enabling you to be reunited with your pet if they become lost during your journey. 3. Pet-friendly accommodations. If you plan to stay at hotels or rental accommodations, research and book pet-friendly options in advance. Confirm their pet policies, any additional fees, and the availability of suitable amenities. 4. Crate or carrier training. Familiarize your pet with their travel crate or carrier well in advance of your trip. Introduce it as a positive and comfortable space, encouraging them to associate it with relaxation and security. Number 2. Travel essentials. Packing the right essentials for your pet will ensure their comfort and well-being throughout the journey. Here are some travel must-haves. 1. Food and water. Bring enough pet food for the duration of the trip, packed in a sealed container to maintain freshness. Additionally, pack portable water bowls and a sufficient supply of water to keep your pet hydrated. 2. Medications and first aid kit. Carry any necessary medications your pet requires, along with a basic first aid kit containing items such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers. 3. Comfort items. Pack your pet's favorite toys, blankets, and bedding to provide them with a sense of familiarity and comfort in new environments. 4. Leash, harness, and waste bags. Ensure you have a sturdy leash and harness for walks and potty breaks during rest stops. Don't forget to pack waste bags to clean up after your pet. Number 3. Traveling by car. If you're traveling by car, follow these tips to ensure a safe and comfortable journey for your pet. 1. Secure restraints. Use a pet seat belt, harness, or travel crate to secure your pet during the car ride. This prevents them from roaming freely or being injured in case of sudden stops or accidents. 2. Regular breaks. Plan regular breaks for bathroom breaks, exercise, and stretching. Find pet-friendly rest stops or parks along your route where your pet can safely walk and relieve themselves. 3. Never leave your pet alone. Never leave your pet unattended in a parked car, as temperatures can rise dangerously high, even with the windows cracked open. If you need to step away, ask a travel companion to stay with your pet. 4. Motion sickness and anxiety. If your pet experiences motion sickness or anxiety during car rides, consult your veterinarian for possible remedies or medications to make the journey more comfortable. Number 4. Traveling by air. If you're traveling by air, here are some important considerations. 1. Airline policies. Familiarize yourself with the specific pet travel policies of the airline you're flying with. Each airline has different requirements and restrictions regarding pet travel, including carrier size, health documentation, and fees. 2. Pet carrier requirements. Invest in an airline-approved pet carrier that provides sufficient space for your pet to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Label the carrier with your contact information. 3. Acclimate your pet to the carrier. Gradually introduce your pet to the carrier before the journey to help them feel more comfortable and at ease inside it. Place familiar bedding or toys inside to create a familiar environment. 4. Direct flights and off-peak travel. Whenever possible, choose direct flights to minimize travel time and avoid layovers. Additionally, opt for off-peak travel times to reduce stress caused by crowded airports and long security lines. 5. Prepare for security checks. Be prepared for security screenings by removing your pet from the carrier if required and carrying them through the metal detector, while the carrier is being inspected separately. Follow all instructions from airport personnel. 6. Temperature and airline restrictions. Some airlines restrict pet travel during extreme weather conditions to ensure the safety of your pet. Check with your airline to understand their policies regarding temperature limitations and embargo periods. Number 5. Pet safety and comfort during travel. Regardless of the mode of transportation, ensuring your pet's safety and comfort is crucial. 1. Restraint and containment. Keep your pet secure during the journey to prevent injury or escape. Use harnesses, seat belts, or travel crates as appropriate. 2. Proper ventilation and temperature. Ensure your pet has access to fresh air and maintain a comfortable temperature in the car or airplane cabin. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. 3. Calming techniques. If your pet experiences anxiety during travel, consider using calming techniques such as pheromone sprays, anxiety wraps, or natural remedies. Consult your veterinarian for appropriate solutions. 4. Regular breaks and exercise. Schedule regular breaks for your pet to stretch their legs, relieve themselves, and get some exercise. This will help them stay calm and reduce restlessness. 5. Hydration and feeding. Offer water and small portions of food during breaks to keep your pet hydrated and nourished. Avoid feeding them a full meal right before or during the journey to prevent motion sickness. 6. Comfort stops. If traveling long distances, consider planning overnight stays to allow both you and your pet to rest and recuperate. In conclusion, traveling with pets requires careful planning and preparation to ensure a pet-friendly journey. By following these tips, you can create a safe, comfortable, and stress-free travel experience for your furry companion. From pre-trip preparations to packing essentials, understanding transportation requirements, and prioritizing your pet's safety and well-being, you can embark on memorable adventures with your beloved pet by your side. Remember, patience, care, and consideration are key to making traveling with pets an enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Is this video being helpful? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.